Hello, friends. Good morning. Hope you're doing well. Today's topic is what is data cleaning? Let's begin. In today's hyper-connected, data-driven world, the power of your insights depends entirely on the quality of your data. Data cleaning is the critical process that turns raw, messy information into accurate, reliable, intelligent. Without it, organizations risk poor decisions, wasted investments, and missed opportunities. This beginner-friendly presentation introduces the fundamentals of data cleaning, correcting errors, handling missing values, removing duplicates, and standardizing formats. More than just tidying data, it creates a single source of truth. Strong data cleaning is essential for trustworthy analytics, reliable machine learning models, and confident data-driven business decisions. So let's begin the journey. Why does data cleaning matters? Because dirty data is expensive, up to 100 times more costly to fix later in the pipeline. Inaccurate, duplicate, or incomplete data silently erodes revenue, damages customer trust, and leads to poor business decisions. Imagine a bank flagging loyal customers as fraud risk, or a retailer mispricing products due to faulty data. Lost sales and reputational damage follow instantly. According to industry studies, organizations lose millions annually because teams rely on flawed insights. Data cleaning isn't a back office task, it's a strategic investment. Clean data fuels accurate analytics, smarter decisions, strong compliance, and long term credibility. What is data cleaning? Data cleaning is the process of preparing raw data so it can be trusted, analyzed, and used for decision making. In the real world, data is often messy, filled with errors, duplicates, missing values, and inconsistencies. Data cleaning identifies and fixes these issues by correcting inaccuracies, standardizing formats, removing duplicates, and handling missing informations. This step ensures the data is accurate, complete, and reliable. Without proper data cleaning, even the most advanced analytics and AI models can produce misleading results. Simply put, clean data is the foundation of meaningful insights, smarter decisions, and successful data-driven strategies. Common data quality issues like duplicate records, structural errors, missing values, outliers. In today's data-driven world, poor data quality can silently damage decisions. Some of the most common data quality issues include missing values, duplicate records, and inconsistent formats. Outdated data leads to inaccurate insights, while incorrect entries distort analysis and reporting. Incomplete data creates blind spots and lack of standardization. makes system difficult to integrate. Even small errors can scale into major business risk when data is used across teams and technologies. Identifying and fixing these issues early is essential. Clean, accurate, and reliable data is the foundation of trustworthy analytics, smarter decisions, and long-term business success. Core steps in data cleaning. Remove duplicates and irrelevant data. Fix structural errors. Identify and handle outliers. Manage missing data. Data cleaning is the foundation of accurate analysis and trustworthy insights. It begins with data collection and profiling. When you understand structure, patterns, and anomalies, next is handling missing values by removing, imputing, or correcting gaps. Removing duplicates ensures records are unique and reliable. Then comes standardization, aligning formats for dates, units, and categories. Outlier detection helps useful unusual values that may distort results. Finally, data validation checks accuracy, consistency, and business rules. Together, these core steps transform messy, raw data into a clean, reliable asset ready for meaningful analysis and confident decision making. Techniques and tools for effective cleaning: parsing, correcting, standardizing, matching and consolidating, AI automation. Effective data cleaning combines smart techniques with the right tools. Start with the profiling to understand patterns, outliers, and missing values. Standardize formats, validate ranges, and remove duplicates to ensure consistency. Use rule-based checks for accuracy and business logic alignment. Automate repetitive tasks with tools like Excel, Power Query, SQL, Python, or R. Leverage extraction, trace, and load platforms and data quality tools for large-scale datasets. Apply anomaly detection to catch hidden errors. Finally, document assumptions and cleaning steps. Clean data isn't just correct data, it's trusted data that drives reliable analytics, confident decisions, and scalable, future-ready systems across industries, teams, and involving digital ecosystem. Challenges in data cleaning: massive volume, subtle errors, introducing new errors, data loss versus integrity. Data cleaning is one of the most critical yet challenging steps in any data-driven process. Organizations often struggle with incomplete data, missing values, duplicate records, and inconsistent formats coming from multiple sources. Human errors, outdated systems, and lack of data standards further complicate accuracy. Cleaning large volume of data is time consuming and resource intensive, especially when data changes in real time. Poor documentation and unclear ownership create confusion about what data can be trusted. Without the right tools, process, and governance in place, these challenges can slow insights, increase cost, and undermine confidence in business decisions. Let's take a real world example of cleaning stock market data for analysis. Let's look at a real example of cleaning stock market data. Imagine you download daily stock prices from multiple sources. At first glance, it looks complete, but problems hide beneath the surface. Some dates are missing due to market holidays. Prices appear duplicated, and formats don't match across files. First, we standardize date formats and remove duplicate records. Next, we handle missing values by aligning trading calendars or using forward fills where appropriate. We also validate outliers, such as sudden price spikes caused by data errors. After cleaning, the dataset becomes reliable, ready for accurate trend analysis, forecasting, and confident investment decisions. Please go through the slide. The business impact of clean data, customer acquisition, cost prevention, performance edge. Let's look at a real business example of clean data in action. A retail bank was losing customers due to inaccurate transactions records and delayed reporting. After implementing strong data cleaning and validation process, duplicate entries were removed, error dropped by 40%, and reporting became real-time. Relationship managers could finally trust dashboards to make faster, smarter decisions. The result: improved customer satisfaction, reduced compliance risk, and a 15% increase in cross-sell revenue within 6 months. These examples prove one thing clearly: clean data isn't just a technical fix, it's a powerful business advantage that directly drives growth, efficiency, and trust. So, make data cleaning your first step to success. To sum it up, data cleaning isn't optional, it's essential. Every powerful insight, accurate prediction, and smart business decision starts with clean, reliable data. When you remove errors, duplicates, and inconsistencies, you unlock clarity, confidence, and real value from your analytics. Skipping this step can cost time, money, and trust. So remember, guys, before you analyze, visualize, or automate, clean your data first. Make data cleaning your first step to success, not an afterthought. If you found this useful, please hit subscribe, like the video, and stay tuned for more practical insights on data analytics and digital transformation. Thanks a lot. Have a great day ahead.